The UK's Competition and Markets Authority, CMA, has tentatively approved Microsoft's acquisition of Activision Blizzard, removing the final major obstacle to the deal. The CMA had initially blocked the acquisition over concerns about its impact on cloud gaming. However, Microsoft's offer to sell cloud streaming rights to Ubisoft led to a new merger inquiry. The CMA's provisional decision suggests satisfaction with Microsoft's remedies to address concerns, though some limited residual concerns remain. The CMA has opened a consultation until October 6th, with final approval expected unless significant objections arise. Microsoft is optimistic about closing the deal before the October 18th deadline.